been a hit since it first arrived in 2016. Xiaomi is set to launch the fourth phone in the series, called the Mi Mix 3. Images of the phone were posted on the by Xiaomi-owned president at IFA Berlin, with a promise to launch in October. Now it appears there is an official release date. An image has surfaced online, and it reveals that the Mi Mix 3 will launch on October 15th. That is about 2 weeks from today. Xiaomi executives did state that October is when the device is scheduled for launch. The Mi Mix 3 as shown in the leak has a full-screen display with no notch and chin. This means the front-facing camera, sensors, and speaker have a new home. You guessed it right, behind the display. Xiaomi has decided to join Oppo and Honor on the slider train for its upcoming flagship. However, its own design is a bit different. Unlike the Find X, that only has a small section of the back half sliding out, the whole of the back half of the Mi Mix 3 slides upwards. This means the Mi Mix 3 has two longitudinal halves. With this sort of design, the slide mechanism isn't motorized, but manual. It also means the Mi Mix 3 will likely not be waterproof, though it may be splash-proof as long as it isn't opened. No specs have been revealed, but we have a launch date. We expect the phone to come with top-end specs, such as an AMOLED display, a Snapdragon 845 processor, up to 8 GB of RAM, and 256 GB of storage. So guys, what do you think about this phone? Share your opinion down below. And thanks for watching guys. See you guys next one.